Hey, how is it going, guys? Hope it's all good. Welcome to my channel. Today sharing this Indian style lentil soup or mixed veg dal. It's healthy and delicious as well. So let's start today's recipe. I'm using two types of common lentils for this recipe. I have taken equal amount of moong and masoor dal. I'm dry roasting the dal. If you want to add little oil, you can add. I'm not over roasting it. Roast as you like it. Add hot water. Save a little for later use. Turn the flame to high and bring it to a boil. Removing the froth is not essential. It's not harmful as well. Remove if you don't like it. Add some oil, ginger, turmeric powder, cover and slow cook the lentils till it is 60 to 70% done. This is winter time and you can add your choice of vegetables. I'm adding carrot, beans, some radish, sweet potato, cauliflower, green peas, some tomato and a few green chilies. Mix it well and cook in medium heat. Don't cover it fully to retain the green color of the vegetables. Add some salt to taste. Always add hot water if needed. At this point, do not cook the vegetables totally. Cook till it is 80% done. For tempering, add red whole chilies, whole cumin seeds, garlic. Do not over fry it as it will spoil the taste. If you are a vegetarian and don't eat garlic, cook it without garlic and it tastes equally good. To avoid splatter, add little portion first before pouring the whole thing in it. Please try my pumpkin pulp fritters with this dal. Add little sugar to taste. If you're gonna try this dal with pumpkin fritters, I'm sure you will love it. Cook in medium heat till the vegetables are done. Then add some fresh coriander leaves. Switch off the gas and let it rest for some time. You can have it as a soup or you can have it with plain rice or roti as well. I hope you liked today's recipe. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try it. If you're watching my recipe for the first time, do check my other vegetarian recipes as well. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.